Have you ever walked through a city park and wondered why it feels so empty compared to nature? Today, we are uncovering the surprising shift happening globally as cities swap manicured lawns for wild urban meadows. Urban areas were once seen as hostile to nature, but now they are recognized as vital conservation sites. The traditional green lawn is actually a wasteful habitat that supports very little wildlife compared to the diverse native communities found in wild meadows. Cities like Warsaw, Rokwa, and Vern are already leading this movement by sowing meadows right in parks and even along tram tracks to create green corridors for local animals. Berlin has already implemented over 150 hectares of these urban meadows. Meanwhile, Paris is developing specific pollinator corridors to link green enclaves across the city, ensuring insects have safe pathways to travel. These urban flower meadows are not just aesthetic. They are a multifunctional strategy that preserves biodiversity while providing cultural ecosystem services and helping mitigate climate change at a lower cost than maintaining conventional lawns. Transforming one garden or neighborhood at a time, these spaces create vibrant havens for pollinators and birds. Homeowners and city councils are realizing that letting native wildflowers grow freely is the key to restoring local ecology. Scaling up these meadows maximizes ecological benefits and proves that even small patches of wild greenery can make a substantial difference for our planet's future biodiversity. So, there you have it. Our concrete jungles are becoming green sanctuaries. Which city do you think needs the most meadows? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into urban ecology.